been trying to find that serenity, that tranquility, if you will, being able to get out in nature, get off-road and off-grid? Well, the all-new Thor Tranquility 4x4 is exactly what you're looking for. This is the 19P. It's an amazing layout with a side aisle bath, and as I mentioned, this one is built on the Mercedes-Benz 4x4 chassis. Let's start out with some of the features right up here in the cockpit. So what you'll notice, starting off with the steering wheel, you have all your steering wheel controls from Bluetooth capability to cruise. Both driver and passenger seats will be powered. You will also see the center dash, as this is the new Mercedes chassis that is all touchscreen, and it is Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto capable. You'll see plenty of cup holders and the carpeted front, plus right behind the driver's seat is the perfect spot to store your magnetic ladder that goes on the back of the coach as well as the table. As we move into kind of the galley area, the Tranquility is a little bit unique. You'll see this solid surface countertop here, but as you notice, there's only a sink. That's because the cooktop is actually removable and you can actually take it outside if you want. So again, really being able to boondock. Now this particular one does have the reliable system. And what that essentially is, it's going to be a 400 amp hour lithium battery with a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter and the 170 watt alternator. So that really gives you a lot of options for power and being that ability to get off the grid. And then rounding out the kitchen over on the driver's side is the refrigerator. There's a Norcold fridge. Right above that, of course, is the microwave. Now, next to that is the wet bath. As I mentioned, the 19P is a side aisle bath. There is enough space in there to be able to shower as well as use the toilet. And there's actually a little locking mechanism, so that way you have a little more space if you are in there using it. The main control panel on the 19P is located right here on the side of the cabinets. It does use the BM Pro system. Of course, touchscreen makes it very easy to access everything from your lights, tanks, as well as all the information on the electric system, including both your coach as well as the house batteries. Right above that is the Truma Combi system that works for both your water heater as well as the furnace for the coach, helping keep things in here nice and toasty. So you make our way back a little bit further, you see the majority of your storage right over here in the overhead cabinets. You will notice it is two-tone, also in curved wood. I really like that look, kind of a European feel to it. And then you also have the wardrobe here as well as additional storage on this side. Now attached to the wardrobe is the TV that is on a swing arm mount, so that way you can swing it around if you want to spin around the driver and passenger seats to view it from up there, or of course you can lay right back here in the bed. It does have a power sofa. The switch is located right here on the side of the kitchen. Just push that and that will drop down like so. Of course, you can bring that all the way down, fill in the center, and that will create your sleeping space. For temperature control, as I mentioned, we have the Truma Combi system for the furnace, and then for the AC, that will be located right up top. As previously mentioned, the Thor Sanctuary 19P is built on the Mercedes-Benz 2500 4x4 chassis with off-road tires, so that way you can kind of get out and explore. Along with that, if you plan on doing some traveling at night or you just want to light up the campsite, you will also see this one has a roof-mounted light bar with a cover. And if you want a little bit of shade, you have the Thule power awning. If you want to open up some doors and enjoy the breeze, you will see a screen for both the entryway and the back door. And you will also find Thule accessories, both in the form of a roof ladder and a Thule bike rack. So if you're ready to get out there and find your tranquility, then make sure you check out the Thor Tranquility 19P.